Imagine a world where doctors can rewrite your genetic code like editing a document, where scientists bring animal brains back from the dead, and where microscopic robots patrol your bloodstream like tiny doctors. This isn't the plot of a sci-fi movie, it's real science happening right now. The pace of discovery is accelerating so fast that some of the most bizarre breakthroughs sound like pure fantasy. Yet they're reshaping medicine, technology, and even our understanding of life itself. One of the most revolutionary tools in modern science is CRISPR, a genetic editing technology that allows scientists to cut and paste DNA with astonishing precision. This means diseases like sickle cell anemia or cystic fibrosis could one day be erased before a child is even born. But the implications go far beyond medicine. Researchers are exploring the possibility of enhancing human abilities, from stronger muscles to sharper minds. Even stranger, scientists are attempting the extinction, working to bring back species like the woolly mammoth by inserting ancient DNA into living elephants. While we won't see a real Jurassic Park anytime soon, the fact that such an idea is even being pursued shows just how far genetic engineering has come. Meanwhile, neuroscience is pushing the boundaries of life and death. In a groundbreaking 2019 experiment, researchers at Yale restored cellular activity in the brains of pigs that had been dead for hours. The brains didn't regain consciousness, but the experiment blurred the line between life and death in ways that were previously unimaginable. Could this lead to medical breakthroughs for brain injuries, or even ways to preserve human consciousness beyond death? At the same time, brain-computer interfaces are allowing paralyzed patients to control robotic limbs with their thoughts. And companies are developing implants that could one day merge human minds with artificial intelligence. The idea of uploading a human consciousness into a machine still feels like science fiction, but the foundational research is already underway. Medicine is also being transformed by nanotechnology, the science of building machines at the molecular level. Scientists are designing microscopic robots that can swim through blood vessels to deliver drugs directly to tumors or repair damaged tissue from within. These nanobots could make surgeries less invasive and treatments far more precise. Another mind-bending concept is smart dust, tiny wireless sensors small enough to float in the air, which could monitor everything from environmental toxins to a person's vital signs in real time. Imagine breathing in a cloud of sensors that detect lung disease before symptoms even appear. Even the food we eat is undergoing a scientific revolution. Lab-grown meat, produced from animal cells without slaughter, is now a reality, with companies creating real beef, chicken, and even seafood in bioreactors. This technology could drastically reduce the environmental damage caused by livestock farming while eliminating animal suffering. At the same time, genetic engineering is being used to create crops that resist droughts, pests, and diseases, which could be crucial for feeding a growing population as climate change threatens traditional agriculture. And in one of the strangest twists, scientists are experimenting with biofabrication, using fungi to grow furniture, bacteria to produce sustainable textiles, and even living cells to build self-healing concrete. The factories of the future might not be filled with machines, but with living organisms. Then there's quantum physics, a field so strange it challenges our basic understanding of reality. Quantum computers, which harness the bizarre behavior of subatomic particles, could solve problems in seconds that would take conventional computers centuries. These machines rely on phenomena like entanglement, where particles influence each other instantaneously across vast distances, and superposition, where particles exist in multiple states at once. If fully realized, quantum computing could revolutionize everything from cryptography to drug discovery, and might even help us simulate the universe itself. Space exploration is also entering a new era of radical possibilities. Private companies are developing plans to mine asteroids, extracting precious metals like platinum and gold from space rocks. The economic impact could be staggering. Just one metal-rich asteroid might contain resources worth trillions. Meanwhile, NASA and SpaceX are working toward human settlements on Mars. But the real long-term vision is terraforming, altering the planet's environment to make it habitable for humans. Ideas include releasing greenhouse gases to warm the planet, melting ice caps to create water, and even introducing genetically engineered plants to produce oxygen. Turning Mars into a second Earth sounds like something from a novel, but scientists are already seriously studying how it could be done. With all these advancements come profound ethical questions. Should we edit the genes of future generations? Is it right to bring back extinct species when so many living ones are endangered? What happens if artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence? Science is granting us abilities that were once the stuff of myth, and with that power comes responsibility. The future is arriving faster than we can process, and the only certainty is that it will be stranger than anything we've ever known. The world is changing in ways that defy imagination, and the most surprising part is that these aren't distant possibilities, they're happening right now. Whether these breakthroughs fill you with excitement or unease, one thing is clear: the line between science and science fiction is vanishing before our eyes.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.